Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP OmniBook Ultra. Okay, Ultra 14. Okay, so you can see search on the Google like that. After that, you can see the support.hp.com. Just right click to new tab. Okay, this is official website. You can download a driver. Okay, so here it not show or not detecting. Okay, operating system, slow down and select the operating system and then click to download. Okay, so if you showing here only Windows 11. Okay, if you are using Windows 10, so you can install the driver of Windows 11 then install in Windows 10, so it will 100% work. So lot of driver you can see here. Do not confuse about that. BIOS, if you have to update BIOS, no. If you install the basic driver of your laptop, so you just extract, select the first driver audio, then second install AMD, select this chipset driver, then graphic driver, then keyboard mouse. So install this, both, because this is touchpad and this is fingerprint. And then audio, network, so Bluetooth and wireless means Wi-Fi driver, and this is Bluetooth driver. So you can see this is required drivers which is selected showing here. You can download just one click. If you click here, download all driver one by one, and you can see in the download folder. Okay, then how to install it? So just single click to all one by one setups. Installations process same. So just click to one and then click to yes, and then next, I accept, then next, and now this is ready to install in backend of your system. You reinstall all driver, then restart your system and then check it. Thank you.